You know, AI is now being used to make phishing emails look really convincing.
It's a scary thought, right? So let's make sure you've got a solid plan.
First up, what to do if you're already hacked. The key here is to move fast.
All right, first things first, head straight to Google's official recovery page. Don't waste any time.
Just follow these steps. Using a device you normally use really helps prove it's you. And get this, even if a hacker changed your info, your old details can still save you. Okay, that's recovery. But honestly, preventing a hack in the first place is way easier. This quote really says it all. So how do you get proactive? Let's break it down. Seriously, this is one of the easiest and most powerful things you can do for your account. So that's your first layer, but we can make it even stronger. Here's how. It's a game changer. Even with your password, a hacker is completely locked out. And you've got options, from a simple pop-up on your phone to a physical security key. You can see the trade-off here. Google prompts are super easy, but security keys are unbeatable. Now, if you're at higher risk, think journalists or activists, Google has this free program for you. This basically puts a digital fortress around your account. It's incredibly tough to crack. Okay, let's boil it all down. What's the one thing you absolutely need to remember? It's all about being proactive. A few minutes now can save you a world of trouble later.